Howdy everybody, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And here I am today with an update on my first generation Camaro build put on by Vinny, Pit Stop Model Shop. I'm sure there'll be a link up there floating around somewhere out in space. But before we get to that, we have another shop car to shout out. And this one is for the bearded guy himself. That's right, Jeff Lawless. And he has got to have one of the coolest stickers out there. I mean, that's just great. I love it. Now, if you haven't been to Jeff's channel, be sure to get in there and check it out. And there might even be a little clip of his channel floating around in there somewhere. And so he sent me the card and he sent me the sticker, and I don't know which sticker is cooler. Mark from the Mediocre Modeler or Jeff's. I don't know. That's a tough call. You know, I like the flashy blingy thing at Mark's, but you know, the old guy, the shades, beard, get some extra bonus point. And I like tie-dye too. But this is kind of tie-dye itself. Alright, you guys don't want to hear about that. Where am I at on this first generation Camaro build?
Whether you're painting model cars, armor, big rigs, t-shirts, or even people, Gallery has the right products for you. Don't forget to use code PAPPYTINKERS at checkout for 10% off.
Well, we've got the interior done up in a nice red. There's actually two shades of red in here, even though it's hard to see on the camera. But they are there. We added some seat belts. We got the shifter. We got the steering wheel. And as I was building this, I noticed, why is it half the models that after you put the steering wheel in, it's like almost right up against the seat? Ain't nobody driving like that. Or did I do something wrong? I don't know. That's possible too. We got some funky fur floating around in there. Another shade of red for that. And it's looking pretty good. A little bit of bare metal foil on the Camaro emblems inside. For the exterior, went with charcoal and red. Charcoal with red stripes. And I think this is pretty good. I'm liking this. I already got the BMF on it. And I couldn't find red stripes for Camaro decals of them, so I painted them on. And I might be cutting away with unmasking some of that, but I think that turned out pretty good. good. It's not the shiniest of paint jobs, but it's the shine that I was looking for. So I'm pretty pleased with it so far. I still haven't picked out the wheels, and I do have some more work to go on this thing. But I think with that red interior and the charcoal on the outside with the red stripes, I think this is going to be a good looking combination. Don't you guys? Alright, I got to get back to work because the deadline is coming up pretty close, and Vinny's not the kind of guy to wait. So, alright cuz, we're going to get back to work on this, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers. Oh shoot, there goes the hood. Did you see that? See that safe landing? That's a quality paint job right there when it can land on the painted side and not get scraped up. And I'm going to gently put it down over there before I mess it up any further. And we'll see you next time, guys.